Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have faced at least once. The issue of unlimited possibilities. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed with so many choices that you end up feeling stuck and unable to make a decision? That's the problem we're diving into today. Now, let's talk about the solution. In order to combat this overwhelming feeling of unlimited possibilities, one approach you can take is to set clear goals and priorities. By defining what is truly important to you, you can narrow down your options and make the decision-making process more manageable. This solution may seem simple, but it can be incredibly effective in helping you regain control and move forward with confidence. Another helpful solution to this problem is to seek feedback from trusted friends or mentors. Sometimes an outside perspective can provide valuable insights and help you see things from a different angle. By discussing your options with others, you can gain new perspectives and ultimately make a more informed decision. Remember, two heads are better than one. In summary, when faced with the overwhelming problem of unlimited possibilities, it's important to first define your goals and priorities, and then seek feedback from others to gain new perspectives. By taking these steps, you can navigate the sea of choices with more clarity and confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your favorite decision-making tip. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decision-making.